So my Hobonichi order finally came in. I've been watching everybody else's unboxings and getting excited, and mine just got dropped off. So here we go. Of course, I want to try and save the box. Got it. Here we go. I'm not going to read the quote. Most everybody else already has been reading them. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the llamas. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, these are so cute. So last year, my first Hobonichi was a week's. So this year, I decided I was going to try the A6. I did order 2 weeks. Actually, one's a sneaker mega, and I'm using that for work. It's already at my work, ready to go. And the other weeks is going to be my personal. Oh, I got a gift booklet. Ooh. I did not think I was going to get one with this, but I guess I did. Aww, how cute. Okay, everybody always talks about the smell. It does have a smell. Oh, that is so cute and perfect. It's an A6 size, so I can use it with my A6 original. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Okay, so this is the Olive Grove. I think it's Olive Grove. So it's a beautiful green with this beautiful beige on the inside. Sorry for the crinkling. I just need to check and make sure I'm filming. Yep. Okay. Sorry, it's my first time. Let's see how this video turns out. And I don't have a clue on how to edit it for YouTube, so it's just going to be a straight run. All right. Oh, that's so cute. And you know what? I wasn't sure what the material was going to feel like, but it feels very durable. It's like a very durable nylon. What a great little size. Oh, this is so cute. Sorry if you can hear my dog panting. We were out on a farm outside of our town here for a sunflower stroll. And I don't get the chance to get her off property very often, so, because we have a farm here as well. So she doesn't get a chance to go out and meet people and other dogs. Oh my God. I'm a dog person and a horse person. I'm also a cat person. It's just we don't have kitties anymore. So I had to get something doggy. So I got the dog ears fluttering in the wind. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Hi, Luca. Sorry, talking to my dog. Okay. I'm gonna put this in now. So I'm dying to see what this is gonna look like. Yes, watch me struggle. I feel like such a Hobonichi rookie with this new stuff. My weeks, I just had like an Etsy shop cover made from a little leather shop in the Ukraine, and I love that cover. Oh, that's so stinking cute. The only thing though, I can't access the pocket. I don't think I would really be using the pocket anyway. I noticed on the A5s, the cover on cover, they were showing that you can access it, but maybe it's not available or I ordered the wrong one. Anyway, it's okay. There's my personal Hobonichi in pistachio. It's English Monday Start, and it's the Mega. I really needed the extra pages I found last year. I used all of my pages. Like, I barely have any pages left. Most of you have already seen this, not going to go over it. This is gorgeous, and I didn't realize it would have the gold lettering. This is lovely. So this is going to be for my personal use. Love it. Okay, let's get some of this stuff on here. And this is new to me this year, so I'm hoping to use this as my memory keeper. Save this. Oh, it's so little and cute. This is perfect, a perfect size for me. So I'm hoping to record my daily memories, little things I want to remember, mostly about my animals, maybe some things with my husband, and do some monthly planning in here as well, but mostly for memory keeping. And then anything financial, appointment-wise, budgeting, and things of that nature to keep me on track. My to-dos, grocery lists are going to be in my weeks. This is for memory. Oh, and I got my 2 pens. Yay! Move the box. So here's my haul. My pistachio weeks. My Hobonichi original. Okay, cute little pencil boards. My lovely little cover. Can't wait to play with this. Have a great day, everyone.